These were picked this morning.
I'll take these, please.
Careful, they're fragile.
We got 3.
I'll be back before noon.
Take your time. I'll start with the garden. Can we help later?
I'll be back soon.
We'll take care of things here. Let's check the vegetables first.
They look healthy.
We have to be gentle with the soil.
So the roots can grow.
Slowly, let the water sink in.
Like this?
Let's rest for a moment.
The breeze feels nice.
This soil is ready.
It looks softer now.
These were picked this morning.
I'll take these, please.
That's enough for now.
Okay.
Careful, they're fragile.
We got 3.
It's good to rest at noon.
The tea is warm.
I found some fresh vegetables.
They smell nice.
We'll use just a little fire.
So it doesn't burn too fast.
Let's wash them carefully.
They're very fresh. Let's eat.
It looks good.
It looks good.
I'll wash these now.
I'll finish here.
This board just needs a small fix.
It looks straight now.
These will dry nicely. This should be enough for dinner.
Let's head in soon.
Dinner will be ready soon.
Everything's ready.
Nice. It looks nice.
Let's eat while it's warm.
Thank you.
It was a good day.
Yes, very peaceful.